Hi. Were you driving or passenger?
Passenger. My dad was driving.
Do you have your ID with you?
Oh, mine's in the car.
Okay. Do you need firefighters?
No, we're both okay. Just
You're saying it doesn't move?
yeah, the wheel stuff.
Okay.
The light and this car just came in and hit the side.
Are you getting your car?
Yeah, because nobody else did.
Do you have your
Okay.
IDs?
Yeah.
Do you want mine too, or you don't?
Yes, please.
Okay. Let me wait till the cars go.
Okay.
You spit it out there. Is your bag?
It's in my tote bag.
We're getting a car that's going to block it.
This is why. It's not that bad, y'all.
Step over. You have an ID on you? I didn't say get in.
Yeah, I do.
Let me see your ID.
What? You're gonna like...
Let me see your ID.
I know that I don't have a driver's license and I shouldn't have been driving, but I'm being honest with you.
Okay.
You feel me?
Yep, I feel you.
Okay. I swear to God, I always get in trouble. It's so crazy. You're like, you ain't that good, right?
We're good. 29P Florida deal.
Sorry.
Please. Thank you.
Hi.
Hi.
How are you? Are you okay?
652.
Hey, whose car is it?
523.
Yeah,
65.
What happened?
586.
just a lot of
We
different
need to move it.
shit's
We're not
been
blocking these car.
going on.
Okay. Okay. I don't know if they asked you, but do you need any medical attention?
No, I'm good.
Over there.
I'm actually a, cardiopulmonary respiratory therapist. So I'm good.
Are you able to walk and everything?
Yeah,
like
I'm
that?
fine.
All right, let's go over this way. We're gonna get out of the roadway, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
I am impaired. I will tell you, I'm impaired.
Okay.
For
Okay.
sure.
Well, right now what we're concerned is for your safety, number one. Number two, the
I get it.
accident. Okay. So
Yeah.
we're gonna
What
we're gonna figure
accident?
that out. We'll talk about it a little bit more once we get over there. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So where were you? Which way were you driving?
South
We have the victim vehicles here. I'm collecting a witness statement.
or east. I should say east.
Okay. You were on Woolbright. This is Woolbright.
Right.
And that's
well, this is federal, or this is Woolbright to get to federal. So I was driving east to federal.
Okay. And so you don't even know that you hit a car?
Hey, just move your car.
No, I know. That's like really bad.
I want to leave a lane.
I apologize.
Okay.
Yeah, sorry.
So you don't remember hitting anything at all? No. Sorry, buddy. Stay out west.
No, John 10-8.
I will.
250.
Okay. Again.
I'm sorry.
Okay. Listen, because at the end of the day, I want you to have
I know. I got you.
We're going to talk about the accident first, okay?
I understand.
Okay.
That's
So
fucked
you
up.
were driving this way? You were
Yeah.
driving this way? Okay.
I was going east.
Okay.
I was going west to east.
You were going west to east, okay.
Right.
So you were coming from where?
My mom's house. I'm staying with her right now.
Okay.
So we'll say that I live with her right now.
Okay, that's fine. Where were you headed?
I'm not sure. I don't know.
You just decided to leave the house?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I was like, you know what? I'm wanting to go.
Okay. All right.
Do you know what I mean?
Hold on. I want to give you the ability to talk about the accident first. So, because we did that already, you didn't even know you were involved in an accident.
No, I didn't.
Okay. So that being said, my investigation with an accident is done. This is not going to be changed over to a DUI investigation. Okay.
Thank you.
You did mention that you're impaired. Okay.
Yeah.
How many drinks did you have?
Fuck. I don't know. Like 4.
4 drinks. What did you have?
Jim Beam, bourbon.
Was it like a little bit? Like a
No,
little shot,
it was
full
like
glass?
Jim Beam, bourbon. What do you call it? Honey bourbon.
And this was all at mom's house?
Yeah.
Okay. How long ago was that?
Like 2 hours ago.
Okay. Do you have any medical issues or anything like that?
No.
Okay. Other than, well, now that you know you were involved in an accident, other than tonight, were you involved in any other accident prior to right
No.
now? Okay. Any concussions, anything like that?
No.
Okay. Any inability to like perform any tasks?
No.
Like walking properly?
I'm fine.
Standing?
Nope.
Everything? No surgeries? Nothing like that?
Of course I've had surgeries.
Okay.
But
Any recent surgeries?
no.
Okay. Are you on any medication? That
What
might
kind?
any medication that might impair you from driving?
Yeah, I'm on.
That you shouldn't be driving and having
Well,
any alcohol.
yeah. Well, they say I shouldn't be driving, but I'm
Okay.
fine.
I'm going to ask you, are you willing to perform any field sobriety tests tonight so I can determine if you're able to drive or not?
Oh, you have to ask me this now?
I do.
Oh my God, really? So, what does that mean?
So pretty much I would walk you through some exercises, okay? And then from there, it would determine whether you're impaired or not.
I am impaired.
Okay, so are you willing to perform these tests?
No.
You're not? Okay.
So is that gonna, like...
Well, that being said, I do have to read you something, okay?
All right, whatever. I mean, you feel me? Like, I should have been a cop.
I get it.
I would have been a really
Yeah.
good cop, except
I'm
I was
sure.
a motherfucker.
Oh, okay.
You feel me?
Yeah, I feel you. All right, let me get something real quick, okay? I'll be right back.
I see this person coming. It was like sliding towards us. And then maybe she was involved. So I bet she was the one in there.
trying to get away
Probably,
from that
yeah.
one. Is the driver over there? So, Miss Lauren.
Young.
Young what?
Is my last name.
Young?
Yeah.
Okay. Miss Lauren, listen to me. I'm going to ask you again. Are you willing to perform the field sobriety test tonight?
Yeah.
You are willing to?
Yeah.
Okay, so you changed your mind.
Yes, I did.
Okay.
Because of these motherfuckers.
What? What did they do?
Because they're assholes.
Okay.
Oh, well, you're willing to do this. Fuck you, motherfuckers. Mm.
What was that? You guys hit her?
Fuck you. You know what I'm trying to say, you motherfucker.
Stop.
Fuck you.
Lauren,
What? You want to zip
Stop
tie
watching.
me? You know what?
Lauren.
Fuck you. Fuck you.
are you doing?
What are you going to do?
What are you doing?
What are you going to do?
What are you...
What are you going to
We're
do?
done. You're not going to grab me.
Hey. Oh,
Stop.
Stop that.
you know what? Go fuck yourself. You're an asshole.
I don't know about that one.
Oh,
You're not going to do that. You're not going to do
felt
that.
really good.
You're not going to do that.
Fuck you. Fuck you. You
Stop.
know what, bitch?
Stop.
You're a bitch.
Stop.
You're an asshole.
Yeah.
Get the fuck away from me. What are you going to do? Wait, you just lost my shoe.
Well, you did that on...
Fuck you. Fuck you all, motherfucker. Get the fuck away from me.
Well, you're going to jail tonight, so...
Oh, yay.
Not
For
only
what?
on a
For
misdemeanor,
what?
but,
For what?
but on a felony as well.
For what? For what?
Break it. Second battery on the week.
For what, bitches?
Somebody hold her while I take this off.
For what? I'm going to jail for what?
Well, battery on Leo, first of all. Second of
Go
all...
f yourself. You're an asshole. Number one. You don't even know what the fuck is going on.
And you kick me. That's 2
Yeah,
pounds.
well,
That's
you
2
know what?
pounds. 2
I'll
pounds.
fucking beat the f out of you.
I wish you would try that.
Let me try.
Stop. Stop.
Give me my purse, you bitch.
I just want to
You
make sure
don't, you don't have to be such an asshole.
Be careful, she'll hit you.
You bitch. She is a fucking cunt. Get away from me,
You put the light?
you motherfucker.
You fart?
You.
Smells like shit.
You smell like shit.
And count 3. Battery on Leo.
Good.
Keep adding the felony charges.
Thank you.
Let me go to the other side because I can't pull the fucking seatbelt.
Did you poop?
You might need to.
You're a bitch.
Lauren,
you know
did you?
that? You're a fucking cunt. You know that? Fucking.
Ooh, did you just try hitting me again?
You fucking
Now
cunt.
assault on Leo too?
You're a cunt.
Wow.
You fucking cunt.
Yeah.
Whatever vehicle are going
It's a little embarrassing that you act like this.
No. It's because of you. You're a fucking cunt.
Stop.
No, you.
Don't fucking play this shit with
Don't play this
Stop.
shit. You want to start?
Stop.
You want to start? Huh?
Stop.
You want me to fucking have a suit against you? Because I will. Let me the fuck go.
I appreciate it.
You bitch.
I'm attorney Michael Reynolds, a practicing lawyer with extensive experience in criminal defense and civil litigation across the United States. In this incident, police respond to a vehicle collision on a public roadway in Palm Beach County, Florida. A driver admits to impairment after crashing into another car. Officers question her about the accident, her direction of travel, and recent alcohol consumption. She initially refuses field sobriety tests but then agrees, only to become combative, physically resisting and striking officers during the encounter. Now that we understand what happened, let's talk about how the law applies. Under US law, particularly in Florida, driving under the influence is a serious offense governed by statutes like Florida Statute 316.193, which prohibits operating a vehicle with a blood alcohol concentration of 0.08 or higher, or while impaired by alcohol or drugs. Officers may initiate a DUI investigation based on reasonable suspicion such as erratic driving or an accident, escalating to probable cause for arrest if evidence like admissions of drinking or refusal of tests supports it. Field sobriety tests, including walk and turn or one-leg stand, are standardized tools to assess impairment, but they are voluntary. However, refusal can lead to license suspension under implied consent laws, where drivers agree to testing as a condition of licensure. Battery on a law enforcement officer, as charged here under Florida Statute 784.07, elevates simple battery to a felony when committed against an officer performing duties, requiring proof of intentional touching or striking without consent. Driving with a suspended license violates traffic laws and can compound charges. Refusal to submit to DUI testing triggers administrative penalties, like automatic suspension, separate from criminal proceedings. Probable cause for arrest exists when facts suggest a crime occurred, as seen in the driver's admission and behavior. Detention is lawful during investigation, but resistance can justify force to ensure safety. Free speech limits apply. Verbal abuse alone isn't arrestable, but physical actions cross into criminal territory. Actions like admitting impairment and then resisting escalated the situation from a potential misdemeanor DUI to multiple felonies, including battery charges. Lawful choices such as cooperating with tests or remaining calm could have de-escalated by allowing officers to complete the investigation without force, potentially leading to lesser charges or release. Remember, legal arguments belong in court, not on the street, where challenging authority physically often worsens outcomes. Key lessons: know your rights during traffic stops, but compliance aids safety. This is general education on US law, not advice. Consult a lawyer for your case. Stay informed to navigate encounters wisely.